Settings for the sliders. Move the sliders, then press Edit button. Turn around the value dial, and then push this dial to enter the settings. Settings for the buttons. Press the buttons. Then press Edit button. Turn around the value dial and then push this dial to enter the settings. Press Play button can set the value of the preset parameters. Knobs parameter settings are same as sliders. Settings for the drum pads. Press the pads, and then press Edit button. Then press Triangle button to start the edit mode. You can change the note value of the drum pad right now. Press Global button to set different parameters, such as mute, reset, and so on. Press Program Change button to change the sound. Last, next, stop, play, pause buttons are used for MIDI machine control. Here's the demo show of World PANDA200.